today I bring a Captain America fidget spinner and Iron Man fidget spinner. So today I will test how long is this tool, and let's see which one is longer than which one. 1, 2, 3. Just wait into the Iron Man or Captain America stops. If one of it stops and another one did not stop, just keep seeing if one stops first. So what we have to do is just wait until the fidget spinner stop moving. And if we try to put it in our hand, then we have to stop the fidget spinner and hold it like this and spin it. And now let's see how long is this tube. Maybe I guess the Iron Man run has 2 hours or something. I'm not sure. But let's see. Just wait a moment and it will stop. Which one stop first? It's okay, but the Captain America is because I spin it first, so it get longer, and I spin Iron Man the second one, so stop first, something like that. And let's see how long is Captain America has been. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.